Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is April 12, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3 3/4 points to 23.47 1/4 per contract. So all in all, market is lower. You can see if you look at the chart right here, right around 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the morning, the market peaked, and we've been rolling over ever since. So we'll see where this market winds up today. Yesterday, the market had a pretty wild trading day with a big sell-off right at the open, down, and around 11 o'clock in the morning, the market put in a bottom and then rallied back up. We'll see if we get more of the same today, or do we get constant selling. But right now, futures are lower ahead of the opening bell. Now, we have some stocks in the news that we want to take a look at. The first one we're going to talk about is Delta Airlines. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $46.59. Closed at $45.29 yesterday. Right now, when I look at the stock, I have to think that there could be a little bit more upside. But again, you're going to hit some good resistance right around the $47.85 to $48 level. That's going to be the 50-day moving average on the daily chart. And if that does overshoot, all traders should keep an eye out for the $49 level. The whole round number there is very, very good resistance. So again, great move for Delta ahead of the opening bell. Good little pop, but again, a lot of resistance levels coming in play shortly. We will be trading and looking at Delta once the opening bell rings today. So if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything we're doing in there. Now, in sympathy to Delta, generally you'll get the other airlines to move up as well. American will be in play. UAL, which is United Airlines, that could be in play as well today. Southwest Airlines, LUV, that could be in play. And again, we'll keep a lookout for all of these and more. Next one we want to take a look at today is going to be JetBlue, JBLU. There's another airline. Looks like they reported their March traffic. Stock right now is trading at $21.45, closed at $21.54. So it's just a little minor downtick. But I do not see upside in JetBlue today. So again, be a little bit guarded here. This one could come down a little bit more, but we do have some intraday levels. Level right off the bat that I would be interested in the stock would be $20.75 for a potential day trade. So keep that on the radar today. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit, and let's take a look at Hewlett-Packard. HPQ is a ticker symbol, or HP Inc. is the name. Stock right now is trading up. Looks like it got an upgrade today. It's currently trading at $17.90, closed at $17.54. So a good little uptick there. Again, a lot of resistance up here around this level, around the $18 marker. So we'll see how it plays out. Also more resistance around $18.25. Next up, we want to take a look at BlackBerry today, BBRY, the old Research in Motion. This stock is catching a big bid. It looks like they won a lawsuit against Qualcomm for $814 million. So a nice little pop there for BlackBerry today after a lawsuit victory. Again, the stock is overbought up here. Does have a lot of resistance up here, so traders want to be a little bit careful. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone. There's really not much to do. You don't want to chase it up here at these levels. Next up, we want to take a look at Tractor Supply. TSCO is the ticker symbol here. Company reported earnings yesterday after the closing bell. It's trading right now at $67.15. Closed at $67.86 yesterday. Excuse me, closed at $70.47 yesterday. So this is a good little sell-off for Tractor Supply this morning. I am showing some support around $65, but please, before you jump on that, just realize sometimes this stock will trade under 1 million shares. Lately, though, it has traded 1 million or more, so 65 is probably its downside target in the near term from what I can see. Next up, we want to take a look at FAAST, which is Fastenal. Again, this company makes bolts and washers and things like that. Stock right now is trading at $48.50, closed at $50.34. This is on the back of earnings. Good little sell-off here for Fastenal. Right off the bat, when I look at this stock, though, I do see support around $44.50. So if it does get down there, we could take a closer look at it there. That could be a buy level. Right now, I don't think there's a whole lot to do here, but around the 44.50, even 45.60 is not a bad level because of the daily chart 200 moving average. So that could come into play as well as support. But and again, if it overshoots, you got 44.50 as your backup there. So either way, stock is down right now, trading at 48.50. Was just trading at 48. We'll see how it plays out. There's not a lot of volume on this one right now, but again, we'll see how it looks when the opening bell rings, and we'll keep this on the radar. We may look to play this in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's go over to the gold market. We'll start with the GLD. What you're going to see here is gold futures right now trading up 3.5 points. Gold had a big day yesterday. Right now, gold futures sitting at $22.77. $70. So gold futures right now are up decently. And again, if you take a look at the GLD today, you'll see that's trading at 121.44, up from 121.19, which is where it closed yesterday. So good little move for gold. Gold continues to remain pretty strong at this point in time. Next up, we have gold. Now we have oil. Oil is trading up 20 cents to $53.59 a barrel. All in all, when you take a look at the USO today, you'll see the USO right now trading at $11.24, up from the $11.17 close yesterday. I happen to think oil is at a very, very good resistance level, and I also think the USO up here at around 11.25, 11.26 is at a very good daily chart resistance point as well. So be careful on the long side of oil at this stage. We'll see how it plays out today. But again, geopolitical events, a lot of chatter from OPEC, a lot of chatter out of Saudi Arabia talking about production cuts, really giving oil a pop. But again, it's a hard time. I have a hard time seeing any of that stuff come true. So again, we'll see how it plays out. And the chart tells us we have lots of resistance here on oil. So again, oil is up a little, gold is up a little bit, and the markets for the most part are now down 5 points on the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So it's going to be an interesting morning. As you all know, yesterday we got good volatility, we get good trading action, and again, we're going to look to keep that going today. Got the volatility out here. We'll definitely get some trading action. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day. Once again, if you want to come and trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a banner 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. So again, take that 7-day free trial. Check it out. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. With that being said, everybody, have a great day, and we will see you on the charts.